तुषार जी को मैं पुणे के टाइम से जानता हूँ एंड उनका जो एंथुजियाज़म है फिटनेस को लेके वो अभी से नहीं है, 20-25 सालों से। एंड ही इनवाइटेड मी, ही सेड कि आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस UFC gym, so you have to come. And I'm really excited to see the enthusiasm of each and everyone and फिटनेस से जुड़े लोग कितने एक्साइटेड हैं। एंड डेफिनेटली UFC इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड है और बहुत सारे लोगों को एक्साइटमेंट होगा कि ये मुंबई में लॉन्च हो रहा है। Then I want to congratulate Ishtiaq sir for opening this franchisee, and I want to tell each and everyone who wants to come into fitness and UFC gym आए और यहाँ पर membership ले and fitness में अपना contribution दे। Thank you.
So how important fitness is for you?
For me, fitness is something not only physical, but mental fitness, emotional fitness. I think it's a combination of everything. So physical is just part of it, but it is a very very important part. Yeah.
आपका फिटनेस का क्या मंत्र है?
मेरा as I said कि वो तीनों चीज़ का combination है. It is mix of mental, emotional and physical fitness.
So in ongoing periods में अभी लॉकडाउन वगैरह था तो आप अपने आपको कैसे फिट रखते थे? Like gyms वगैरह close थे तो how fit you are keeping yourself?
मेरे पास रेजिस्टेंस बैंड थे तो वर्कआउट मैं उससे कर रहा था, योगा कर रहा था एंड ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेज एंड आई वाज ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन अ गुड हेल्दी डाइट. आई वाज स्टेइंग विद माय मॉम, सो डाइट वाज गुड. या
So also the sir is here. What wishes you would like to give him?
सर आइए.
हिंदी में ही बोलना है सारा? हिंदी में ही बोलना है और इंग्लिश इज ओके? Hi, I'm Priyanka Shah. I'm here at the launch of UFC gym. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ दैट इंडिया को फाइनली एक वर्ल्ड क्लास जिम मिला है जहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर्स के साथ प्रोफेशनल इक्विपमेंट्स होंगे. एंड आई थिंक मुंबईकर्स आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी लकी टू हैव दिस फैसिलिटी राइट इन बांद्रा. तो मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि कब मैं यहाँ आ सकती हूँ और अपना नेक्स्ट क्लास ले सकती हूँ.
जी.
So what is a fitness mantra?
आई एम 3-time वर्ल्ड किक बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन और जैसे कि ये UFC MMA प्रमोट कर रहा है फाइटिंग और इंडिया में मिलियंस ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में बिलियंस फ़ैन हैं इसके. और बॉम्बे में फर्स्ट UFC जिम है ये और हम लोगों के लिए खुशकिस्मती है कि हम अच्छे फाइटर्स इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन के लिए तैयार करेंगे जी. और ट्रेनर्स जो है बाहर से भी यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं तो यहाँ पे और बच्चों को मौका मिलेगा इंटरनेशनल एथलीट के साथ में ट्रेनिंग करने का.
क्या विशेष देना चाहोगे आप UFC जिम? क्या विशेष देना चाहोगे आप UFC जिम?
विशेष देना चाहते हैं कि फिटनेस के लिए तो बेस्ट है और साथ ही साथ इंटरनेशनल फाइटर्स यहाँ से निकले और MMA UFC में एक दिन ऐसा है कि फाइटर यहाँ के वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करें।
मेरे विशेस यही है दैट UFC जिम इज़ वन ऑफ अ काइंड जिम, और अभी ये मुंबई बांद्रा में है। मैं चाहती हूँ ये इंडिया के हर सिटी, हर स्टेट में फैले, ताकि हर किसी को, हर इंडियन को प्रोविजन एंड वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि वो वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेनर्स और इक्विपमेंट्स के साथ ट्रेन कर सकें। तो यही मेरी कामना है कि UFC जिम कीप रॉकिंग, दिस इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट स्टेप। आई वांट टू सी यू ग्रो इन एवरी सिटी ऑफ इंडिया। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।
अच्छा, so who's sitting there? Where to sit? मुझे क्यों बीच में
Come here, we are here.
and I'll end up talking the most then.
Ishtiaq, there's a place here. There's a seat here. Acha, he's doing the boy girl. Acha, he's doing that. So then he can.
Hey, listen, why am I sitting right in the center? All mics are here
Why
only.
boy should be in the center?
Silence.
So we have UFC's launch today. What do you want to say?
Okay, wait. First, where are we looking at? You or the camera? Center? Okay, okay. So, yeah, go ahead. Ask again.
So what would you like to say today? You're here at the launch of UFC gym in Bandra.
I mean, firstly, UFC is such a famous franchise. We've all heard about it, watched it so much on TV, and I'm just so happy UFC is open close to my house in Bandra, and I have access to it. I've been working out here for a couple of months now, and you know, it's just fun. It's really professional. The equipment's great, and it's just a fun vibe that the place has. I don't know about the other UFCs around the world, but I'm just happy the Bandra one's amazing, and welcome UFC.
So what is your fitness mantra?
My fitness mantra, you don't want to know.
Tell, those are the real things. I wait till they ask my mantra.
I mean, fitness mantras, I mean, one, you have to work out. That's important. Secondly, you have to have a balanced diet. So I eat, you know, like 2/3 of the day, and 1/3 I don't eat. That's my mantra. Otherwise, I would have had a better body. But the key is to have a balanced lifestyle, I think. And when you work out at a gym and you put in that energy working out, you kind of automatically start balancing your diet because you feel itni mehnat kar rahe hain, you might as well not mess it up with your food. I mean, that's what I think.
And what kind of workout do you prefer?
Well, I see at the gym, this gym has multiple classes, be it Zumba, you know, boxing conditioning, kickboxing, yoga, TRX, and gym, obviously. So I try to do a mix of everything. My wife also comes with me. So in the morning, sometimes we'll do our fitness. The trainers are there. And the good part about the gym is you don't need to have a personal trainer. The trainers are really helpful. They'll guide you. They'll come to you if they see you screwing up, which I do a lot. They come help you out. And in the evenings, we do yoga, Zumba, TRX. And so mix it up, basically. Yeah.
It's so good to see you after such a long time, such a pleasure. And you look all the same, so
Thank
of
you.
course I'm going to repeat the question. What's the fitness mantra and what would you like to say for UFC gym being
Thank you
launched
so
today?
much, Parul. It feels great to be back. And just going a little off the topic, is this is my first appearance in normalcy. I've been with the mask and in hiding for the last couple of years. So it feels really good to be back, I will say, at UFC, because I was there at the launch of the first gym, which our dear friends Ishtiaq and Fatima did. And I'm back here to support them. And I think gym is the best thing that can happen in somebody's life. So anything to do with fitness, I'm so glad that the first time I've appeared again is at a gym. And UFC, of course, is a gym in another league. I mean, it's fabulous. And I'm not going to go into more details because that I will leave for my friend Ishtiaq to tell you all. But I mean, it's fabulously done. The red and gold and the whole combo of the gym is amazing. The classes, there are lots and lots of classes which I'm going to come now and start witnessing. And yeah, it just feels amazing to be here. And honestly, I never thought that in Bandra, I mean, the middle of heart of town, that there could have been such a mega-sized gym, you know, I mean, in the
And
middle of
Hill
this.
Road.
Yeah, and one would think that, you know, that there'd be a space constraint, and one wondered after you compared it to Delhi, and if I may say so, I think this is even better.
I'm sure there will be a lot of calls coming in from all your friends and we want to be, joining the gym. So Nishant, this question is for you. What do you have to say?
Well, we're inviting all of them to come and experience. So, actually, as I mentioned earlier also, UFC gym is a concept because it's first of its kind to have traditional gym, functional training gym and MMA gym under one roof. So, unless and until you come, take a class or get an experience, it will be very difficult to understand what this place is all about. So, what we've done is we've invited all our friends over to come and experience it, work out, and then put the good word out. So, that's how we are trying to put the brand out in the market and people to know what we do.
And if Anupama is working out here, trust me, there'll be far more boys footfall after this. That normally I've seen the track record before I worked out in the same gyms. It's normally happened.
Yeah. So, firstly, Bandra being Bandra, the queen of suburbs, and this at Hill Road. I'm a Bandra person. And yet, I've been to many gyms. This is the first of its kind that from spinning to a kickboxing to a Muay Thai has it all together. Used to go to different classes, and now to have all of them together here, it's brilliant, and that too Hill Road. And what I like, so I was not going to gym after lockdown because all of us has that thing that after lockdown you are in that shell that whether to go. But when I came here and I saw their sanitizing levels or even that shoe thing they have the minute you enter, so those things make you feel comfortable, and so I can be off the mask and in this place. So I'm very happy it's there in Bandra.
The shoe thing helps in moonwalking also. You should try it with the plastic on.
I haven't asked my wife, what do you think about the gym? So I would like to know from Mrs. Ansari what she thinks about the
I
gym.
just love the location first, and absolutely the entire space is damn good. I've been a Bandra person, so I would love to come back.
Yeah, we all love Bandra.
Yeah, we are Bandra people, so this is
We
our
love
thing.
Bandra.
Yeah, we love Bandra. We love UFC now.
I think in the next Zumba class, you're all going to be there.
Absolutely. You remember how I convinced you that Zumba
Start
must
Zumba,
come,
yeah.
get Zumba, and then he brought Zumba with such a gusto to this city, and then it's...
Yeah, and I've done Zumba too. I mean,
Yeah.
a lot of people are shy of it because they think it's like a girly thing.
Yeah, last class there were 15 people, 2 boys, him and me and
But listen guys, if you don't know, Zumba was actually supposed to be a male form of dance. That's how it was started.
Oh, really?
And yeah, so the best trainers are mostly, the women have taken over, but basically I started with a male trainer, and all over the world it's a male form of dance. So this is just for all the men who are feeling awkward that...
Fazal, any last word of wisdom?
I think it's great to hear all this.
Come to Bandra.
I unfortunately am not a Bandra guy, so I do miss out on that regular visits. But the way I look at it, if bringing this concept and it helps to change anyone's lives for the better, I think that would be the most fulfilling aspect of all.
No, it definitely, I think, changes. I mean, what could be better that you eat lots and work out a little more and just enjoy life, and you don't need to all the time keep watching what you're eating and stressing about that. And wish you Farhad lots more.
Yeah, I'll repeat that. I, as a Bandra person, I've been to gyms and I used to take different classes for different activities. To have it all together, it's not there. So, that is very beautiful.
We want to pay double.
Thank you.
Thank you.